Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome to another repair 123 PC solutions. What I got here is a Lenovo IdeaPad S540. As you can see, I already took it apart, but I'm just gonna show you how I did it. As you can see here, you will see the model number, which is IdeaPad S540. These laptops are, I believe this is a newest model. This is a 2020. You don't see this a lot, so you will not see a lot of videos of replacing the screen. So to replace the screen, as you can see, this is broken. This is the first thing you gotta do. You gotta remove. This is gonna be like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. And as soon as you remove the screws, what I used was this little tool here. It's similar to the Mac computers. So after you remove that, you will have to come here. So remember, this one in the middle here, there was a mistake I made. I was trying to open it, and I noticed there was a screw here. So I come here, I use this tool here, and I just pull it, and pull it, and pull it. Remember, when you're using, when you open up this case here in the back, you need to use this kind of tools. Don't use nothing like metal, stuff like that, because it can break the cover or scratch it. So after you remove that, first thing to do, always, is the battery. So you will see the connector here for the battery. It will come here. And you just gotta go here with the send tool, push it back, and then pull it out. Now, after you do that, let me show you the screen. You will have to remove the whole case, similar to the Mac. So we'll see, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, okay? Now remember, when you remove the screws, you will have the Bluetooth, I believe this is the Bluetooth, the antenna connections, and the power, which is this one here. Same thing with this tool, you gotta just remove the power. Okay, now what I did was I disconnect the this connector here, which I don't know what is this connector about. I believe this is the one that gives power to the motherboard, to the charger. So I just remove the frame here. Same thing. Always use plastic ones, and then pull this up, and then just remove. I always take a picture. I like to take a picture so I could know which is what, because it has two different connectors here, which is the one that goes in the case. So you can see this. I believe this is the main, and this is the auxiliary. The black is the main, and this is the auxiliary. Okay, so after you remove that, you're gonna remove the screws that's in the back of the case, the screen case, similar to the MacBooks. So after you remove that, you pull it up, and then you gotta remove it from the. Let me show you here. Give me 1 second. Sorry guys, it's one of my first videos, so I'm not really well prepared. Okay. So the screen will look like this. Okay. It looks like this screen was replaced before because it doesn't have the screws that comes here. Also comes with this little cover here. So we have to pull it up too with the same tool. Remember, always use plastic. Pull it up, and after you pull it up, you will have this other cover covering the I believe the bottom of the screen. So the same thing. You remove the screws. For some reason, there's no screws here. So whoever replaced this screen before forgot to add the screws. I'm gonna order in eBay the screws so I can just do it the right way. So after you pull this up, poof, then you come here, same thing always. Remove, and then that's it. In the back here, it will be a connector here in the back, which is the screen connector. That will come here. You have to remove that. So what I always do every time I order a screen through Amazon or eBay, I always make sure that I order the right part, which is always the one here and 1.4. And that's it, guys. After you order the part, I believe it takes 5 days. It depends on the mail, the priority, the mail. I believe I will be getting the screen in 5 days. As soon as I get the screen, I'm gonna make another video how to put it back together. You go. Always make sure to have the screws somewhere separate so you don't get confused which is what. And I think that's it for now. It's easy. It looks really difficult. The client was trying to pull up the screen from the without doing all this, and he cracked it more. So I believe that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. You can always visit us to our website, to 123presesolutions.com. You can look it up all our Google reviews. We have 5 stars reviews. Or you can always call us to 786-422-0705. Our number is 786-422-0705. Thank you for watching.